Hello, Sandesh sir. Hi, ma'am. We'll wait for the others to join, okay? Then we'll start. Who all is there? Do tell me fast. We'll start the class. Chalo. Let's start it, okay? Whoever comes will join. And sequence and series will be first talking about AP, GP. Okay. Now, what is important here? Let's see, everybody. Okay. Chalo. First, what is important here in this part? Like, I have a number A. If I add D to it, A plus D will become, if I add one more D, so A plus 2D will become, like that it will keep on increasing. So if you see for the first number, you already know the nth term. So A plus n minus 1 of D, because for the first time it's 1 less D, second time again 1 less D, third time again 1 less D, so nth time also 1 less D. Now nth term we got it. What about nth term from the last? So in that case, my last term I write is as L minus n minus 1 of D. L minus n minus 1 of D. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? This part, everybody clear? So what we need to know in AP? In AP, that each sum is added with something or subtracted with something. And if I want to find the nth term, let's say fifth term, sixth term, 20 term, 100 term, I use this formula. If I want to go back and find it out, I use the down formula. Clear, everyone? Nishat, Sandesh? Clear? Yes. What about others, Nishat? Chalo, clear, clear, clear. Only two people are there as of now. It's okay. Chalo. Let's finish this fast. Now, sum of n terms, how do you find? Directly formula we have. One formula, if you know already the first term and everything, you can go by this 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And let's say if you don't remember, if you don't know the, what you say, d, what you can go with first term and last term. N by 2 into a plus l. That's it. Clear? Both the formulas are. So हम पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया. So हम तो जागा हुआ था. Let's see where is our Soham guy. Ringing, no response. Chalo, no issues. चलो अच्छी बात है तुम आ गए. चलो. Let's see. Next, which formula is very important, student, is this one. If I want to find nth term, I can find by difference of the sum. Like if I want to find T5, I can easily find by S5 minus S4. Sum of first 5 terms minus sum of coffee बनाने गया था बच्चा. चलो. Now arithmetic mean is basically the average. Arithmetic mean is basically the average. So first term plus second term plus third term plus up to n term by total number of terms. If two terms are there, just a plus b by 2. Clear? Now next, this part is very important. Okay. Sure. If I have an AP and I add some common term, it also remains in AP. If I multiply some common term, still in AP, but common difference becomes that times. If I divide, still in AP, but common difference changes. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Me too, I also need a coffee, bro. A bit dark, okay? Chalo. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Chalo, next. This part is important, just do write it down. If I have two different APs, student, if I have two different AP, okay, then what I can do, if I add these two, add these second term, add these two, again also in AP. But if I multiply first term with the first term, second term with the second term, third term with the third term, or divide, they're not in AP. Or divide, they're not in AP. So two APs, if I add them, they'll again give me a resulting AP. But two APs, if I multiply or subtract, they won't give me an AP. Okay. चलो कम से कम शो हम पिक्चर तो भेज दिया कॉफी का. Not bad. Just add a bit of sugar, bro. Sugar is bit missing. Okay. चलो चलो चलो, समझ आ गया बच्चों ये वाला बात? एवरीबॉडी गॉट इट, गॉट इट, गॉट इट? चलो, डन सर, डन सर, डन। चलो, थोड़ा सा और आगे बढ़ते बच्चों। One AP is there, very very important. If I add the first term last term, it will be same as adding the second term second last term. It will be same as third term third last term. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? चलो चलो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। चलो everybody, let's see. Okay, if I have AP, let's say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So if I add these to 12, if I add this to 12, if I double it again 12. So that only they have shown here. Clear? Sure. Next, AR is equal to AR minus K plus AR plus K by 2. Means if I want to find a fifth term, total number of terms, like let's say that can be A5 minus 2 plus A5 plus 2 by 2, means I can get it by A third term plus A seventh term by 2. If I want to find the fifth term, I'll take the average of third term plus seventh term by 2. Clear? Chalo. Understand everybody, if the nth term is a linear part, then it is an AP. If the sum of the terms is a quadratic, then it is an AP. Means if you are getting Tn as 2n plus 1, then you can say it is an AP. If you are getting Sn as an square plus bn plus 2, then you can say it is an AP because it is a quadratic. Clear? Clear everyone? Chalo. चलो, गुड गुड गुड। सब बच्चों को समझ आ गया ये वाला पार्ट? लिख लो इसको, चारों पॉइंट को फास्ट फास्ट लिख लो बच्चों। Clear? Let's go for the next. Now, whenever they say finding the number of terms, what do you do in that number of terms? If they say take 3 terms in AP, what do you take? A minus D, A plus D. 4 terms, A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. 5 terms, A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Clear everyone? Do write down fast, do write down fast. Chalo, let's see. Done, everyone. Now, very important. If A, x1, x2, x3 up to xn and B are in AP, and x1 to xn are n arithmetic means which you have inserted between two number A and B, then the common ratio D is equal to what? B minus A last term minus first term divided by total number of terms n plus 1. Clear? So the first term, first arithmetic mean x1 will be what? A plus D, and A plus what is the D value? B minus A by n plus 1. Clear? सर जीपी है कि हाँ थोड़ी देर में आएगा बेचारा, वो वेट कर रहा है. आप लोग थोड़ा जल्दी करोगे तब तो, थोड़ा जल्दी करो, बेचारा वेट कर रहा है. ठीक है. HP जस्ट ये वाला लिख लिए पहले. रिटर्न दिस वन. चलो कंसेप्ट जस्ट एक एक लाइन का ब्रो देख लो, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं दे. ठीक है. Next, next everybody. Oh, Samiksha ma'am also there. Chalo, in an AP, if the number of terms is odd, ये important है. Sum of n terms कैसे निकालते हैं? We can find total number of terms into the middle term. If the number of terms is even, sum of n terms, n by 2 into sum of two middle terms. Clear? This part is important. See, in an AP, if we have total, let's say n is equal to 10, 11, then directly I can find sum of total number of terms is 11 into whatever the middle term value is. Okay. And if I have, let's say 10 terms, so sum of the terms is 10 by 2 into the middle fifth term and sixth term. Okay. Clear? Clear? Clear, everyone? Done, Samiksha ma'am? Chalo. We'll go for the next. Coming to our next buddy, GP. GP means what? I have a term 2. I have multiplied 2 with 2. So 2 square. 2 again with 2 with again with 2. So 2 cube like that. So AR square, AR cube, dot dot dot. Last term will be what? AR power n minus 1. 1 less. Clear? How do you find the common ratio? R is equal to, take A5 by A4. So AR power 5 by AR power 4. So cut, you will get it, sorry, AR power 4 by AR power 3. Cut, you will get it, R. Clear? General term of a GP is given by the formula AR power n minus 1. This is my general term. I can, by using this, I can find all the terms. Clear? Chalo. Clear? Let's go for the next. Now, this is important, students. If I want to find the last term of a GP, I'll use this formula. AR minus n minus 1. nth term from the last. This part is important, most important. If I am finding the nth term from the last, what I'll do? L by r power n minus 1. Hi Shyam. Okay, clear? Now sum of infinite terms, a by 1 minus r, if the common ratio is what? Less than 1. And if it is more than 1, it will go to infinity. So not defined. Clear? Clear everyone? This part and this part formula very important. Write down fast. Hello Shyam, tell me, all going good? Chalo. Written everybody, written everybody. Chalo. Written everybody, I'll go for the next page fast. We have to do PYQs also. जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं. We have to finish it, bro. After this, we are going for PYQ. Once we are done with PYQ, we'll leave it. Today, we have to finish sequence and series. Not much is there. Let's see next. बस कॉफी ले लेना ब्रो, ठीक है, और इस बार चीनी डाल देना. चलो, let's see. If I have three terms A, B, and I'm inserting a G, that is geometric mean in between. So G is equal to what? Root under of AB. First term plus last term. Square root of first term and last term. Clear? Now understand everybody. If I have A1, A2, A3 in GP and I multiply the GP or divide, again it will be in GP only. Okay? If I have, let's say, 2, 4, 6. Now I multiply this whole series with 2. So 4, 8 and 12. Again this is in GP. Or if I divide it, 1. If I divide the whole thing by a number, will it? Oh, no, it's not in GP, students. 2, 4, 8. If I multiply, what I'll get? 4, 8, 16. Again in GP. If I divide all thing by 2, again in GP. Clear? Chalo. Clear everybody? We'll go for the next page, students, a bit fast. Simple concepts are there. Questions are also very simple. Okay. So let's end it. We don't have much chapter. After this straight lines we have, we'll do it tomorrow. And their wave optics will finish. Wave, magnetism and matter, AC and EMI. These all will be done tomorrow. Chalo, done everybody. Fast, fast, fast reply. Chalo, done everybody. Let's see next. This is important. See, we have one GP and we have another GP. Now, what if we merge it? We take the first term, multiply with the first term, take this first term of this GP, second term of this GP. If we keep multiplying like that or dividing, we'll get again in GP. Like, take an example. Take an example, very simple. 2, 4, 8, 1 GP, and 1, 3, and 9, another GP. Multiply these two. So what will get? 2 into 1, 2, 4 into 3, 12, 8 into 9, 72. So if you see the common difference is what? 6. Common difference is what? 6. They're still in GP. If you divide also, you'll get in GP. Clear? Chalo. Now here this point very important. A, B, C are in GP. If you take x power A, x power B, x power C, they'll also be in GP. Like 2, 4, 8 are in GP. So if I do x square, x power 4, x power 8, also in GP, students, also in GP. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Where is Shoham? Slept, bro? Chalo. Tonight I'll be putting the concept one. Okay. You'll be able to see concept video. What is say? Concept notes will be there. Chalo. If A1 to AN are in GP, then again multiply first term, last term, second term, second last term, third term for third last term. You'll get the same thing. Clear? You'll get the same thing. Clear everybody? I think so only Samiksha ma'am is there. What about others? Nobody saying yes, no, yes, no. हाँ बात सही है. You might be making it again. सोम सर भूलना मत इस बार चेंज डालना. चलो. Now this note is important, student. This note is important. Now this note is important, student. In a GP, in a GP, what they're saying is, if the number of terms is odd, if I'll do the product of all n terms, then it will be nothing but middle term power n. Understand? We'll be using this a lot. See, I have a GP. Let's say 1 multiplying with 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Okay. Now, if I want to find the product of all, how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make it 64. 7 terms. So n is equal to 7. What is the middle term? 3 here, 3 here. 8. So 8 power 7 will be the product of all of it. 8 power 7 will be the product of all. Clear? Clear, students? Chalo. Now, if n is even, the product of all n terms will be nothing but product of two middle term power n by 2. Power n by 2. Clear? Product of two middle terms power n by 2. So these two formulas very important. It will help you a lot, students. Okay. Once you are written, do tell me. Done? Chalo. So if they're telling us to take three numbers in GPU, how will we take? A by R, A, AR. 4 terms A by R square, AR, A by R, AR, AR square. 5 terms A by R square, AR, A, AR, AR square. Clear? Chalo. Next, a bit about AGP. Next, a bit about AGP. What does AGP stands for? Arithmetico-geometric progression, means AP and GP both is there. So let's say the terms of A1, A2, A3 are in AP, B1, B2, B3 are in GP. So AGP is C, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. They are in AP. R square, R cube, they are forming a GP. Clear? So just write down these two formula. I'll give you a trick how to solve it without the formula. But just for the safety, just write down the formula. Formula is simple. For the AP, what is the nth term? A plus n minus 1 of D. And for the GP, R power n minus 1. That's it. Clear? Write it down. Done, everyone? Done, everyone? Written these two formulas are important. What is AGP? We have AP and GP combined. So this part is of the AP part and this part here is of GP part. So together this is AGP, arithmetico-geometric progression. Okay? Clear? Chalo, next. Relation between AM, GM, HM just as is important. AM is A plus B by 2, GM is root AB, A minus G is root under A minus root B by 2 whole square. Always remember AM is greater than GM and GM is greater than HM. And if I multiply arithmetic mean with what is harmonic mean, I'll get geometric mean square. That's it. That other part is not there for the CET. But formula part, just I'll give you to write the formula. It will take 1 minute. Always remember what is arithmetic mean. If two terms are there, A and B, A plus B by 2. Geometric root AB. Clear? And if I do A minus G, I'll get root A minus root B by 2 whole square. Now always arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean greater than harmonic mean. And if I multiply arithmetic mean with harmonic, I'll get geometric square. Clear? चलो HM भी है, HM उतना नहीं है बट ये रिलेशन इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है. चलो this part is deleted student, this part is deleted, but sometimes you might, if they give formula, just you keep it down. Okay, this part is removed. So if you want, you can skip or just write down one formula. It won't take much time. In case somebody somewhere else, if it is getting applied, you can apply. Clear? We are done with the chapter. We are done with the chapter sequence and series. So after this, this is one more formula. If sum of even numbers, sum of odd numbers. That's it. Once written, do tell me. Written everybody. If I add first n natural numbers, I'll get n into n plus 1 by 2. If I add the square of first n natural numbers, I'll get n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. Cubes of first n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Write down this. बहुत लाइट है, गर्म कम है, डाल दो गर्म। Hi Nanda. Now, if I get the sum of first even natural numbers, what I'll get? N into n plus 1 by 2. First odd natural numbers, n square. We are done with this chapter. We'll go for the PYQ. Are you all ready for the PYQ, or we'll do it in the morning? What do you say? How many people are ready for PYQ? 6 or 7 max PYQ will be there. Sandesh, buffering. Tell me fast, kids. You want to do it now or you will do it later? Yes, no in the chat section. Yes, no in the chat section. Fast. We'll do it tomorrow morning. Chalo. I think so. Today everybody has slept. Done, ma'am. Okay, good. मॉर्निंग करा दूं? चलो ठीक है। अभी करे तो याद रहेगा सर, सब फ्रेश है, सुबह करते हैं, ठीक है। नेट खराब हो गया, चलो मॉर्निंग करा दो, चलो चलो कोई बात नहीं है। सो विल डू इट इन द मॉर्निंग एवरीबडी, क्लियर? Those who are in the favor of doing in the morning, raise your hands, and those now, do tell it. चलो फिर एंड करते हैं स्ट्रीम को बच्चों, मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट। अब इस समीक्षा मैम, कितने बच्चे अभी बोल रहे हैं? निशित मैम मॉर्निंग, समीक्षा मैम अभी करा दो सर। चलो व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? अभी टाई हो चुका निशित मैम और इस पे संदेश सर, चूंकि 3 लोग हैं तो संदेश सर भी मॉर्निंग, तो 2 मॉर्निंग 1 नाउ। हालांकि इस चैप्टर में ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं है बच्चों। कितने क्वेश्चंस? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 क्वेश्चंस टोटल है बच्चों, ठीक है। पंद्रह मिनट लगेगा, हाँ चूंकि आप लोग मॉर्निंग में चाह रहे हो तो मॉर्निंग में करा देते हैं, ठीक है। चलो कोई बात नहीं। Samiksha ma'am, till then you revise something else. I'll upload the concept, what do you say that part? What do you call it? The notes, I'll upload the notes, ठीक है। Keep it till here, students, for today. We'll see you again tomorrow. It's already in the morning. So, again in the morning, 11 sharp, we'll be there. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye bye.